the session. First of all, Jai Hind, all of you. This is Amardeep and very welcome to all of you. So today I cover this session because of this is important. See, X, we talk about Twitter. X, yes, this is series. X is taking strong measures to combat content theft and engagement rate to safeguard original creator and promote original content creation. Oh, भाई साहब, their new Grok AI model can swiftly identify copied posts and even recognize viral text posts without proper credit. Creators who attempt to conceal stolen content will no longer profit as view and revenue will be directed to their original creator. It means original creator. Original creator always take this benefit. Yes, as creates down on content API now supports copy exports their three times faster. Oh, bhai sahab. See here. Salman Khan, Aishwarya Rai were there. Samira Reddy on sitting during the episode. Why, sir? Why pay again? Why pay again? How achieve the scheme for 4.5 CR founded Russell but donate as rupees and lakhs instead. This is serious, guys. This is movie. It's not a film. It's an opera. Anurag Kashyap helps prices on Astya Satya Dev Rao Bahadur filmmaker Anurag Kashyap gave Venkatas Maha Telugu Police drama Rao Bahadur a 5-star rating on Letterboxd, calling it is not a film but an opera with incredible writing and forceful performance, especially by Satyadev in the dual role of young and old actresses. Okay, now series football news. Read this very carefully. My MetLife Stadium's grass is trending. Trending Argentina versus Spain World Cup final. Oh, if you remember last time, Portugal and England. Spain, sorry, not England, Spain. Portugal and Spain both just play one match. FIFA World Cup, yes. And now it is Argentina and Spain. So, now next guys, the 2026 FIFA World Cup final between Spain and Argentina will see the regigned European and Copa America champions face off for the first time in history. However, concerns have been raised about the place at live stadium with players like Krishna Junior and Adrian Rabiot calling it dry and artificial. No way. This is Trump Pagla Trump. How US moved to shrink visa, visa. कुछ देख नहीं रहा हूँ, कवर कर रहा था, देख रहा था ये आज वीज़ा देख रहा था। जैसे बोला दी यूएस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होमलैंड security has implemented a new rule that limits the stay of these resign students, accents, visitors, and media representative. Extension must now request from USCIS and there is sticker oversight and screening its associations with the Trump administration immigration crackdown. Actually, Trump in this time, Trump just want to remove all immigration. It is not matter which country belongs that guy. Just one word. Remove that guy from US. Yes. Trump right now this work is ongoing. No worry, just continue next article. Johan can draw his 80s eyes to edge and Spain's diagnosis surprise him. Johnson, former WWE wrestler, tells about his battle with Demodex blepharitis, a common but often overlooked eye condition caused by myelitis. He initially ignored his symptoms, but after a proper diagnosis and treatment with an FDA-approved eye drop, his symptoms improve. He ordered to seek medical help for present eye irritation to prevent further complications. Applying for a US green card comes with revamped rule could affect you. The Trump administration has reviewed the controversial public charge rule allowing immigration officials to deny green card to applicants demanded likely to rely on government assistance reversing a policy scrapped under former President Joe Biden. Oh, hi, sir. No worry, just let's continue. Google required to open up to AI search engine viral under EU mandated changes. European Union regulators have imposed requirement on Google to follow European Union regulations that limit the dominance of big tech. Google must now accept OpenAI and other AI competitors as well as search engine developers in extending its services. This includes opening up 11 features on its Android system and sharing data. The goal is to increase user choice in the European Union. See this artificial intelligence. Let's talk about this. More Mansoor AI Unveiling Gaming J3, the world's largest open-weight AI model. What to know? China's Mansoor AI has launched the J3. China's Mansoor AI has launched the J3, a 2.8 trillion parameter model that reveals top US closed source system. It boasts multi-modal capabilities and a mixture of experts architecture, excluding excelling in coding, benchmarks, and real-world tasks. While some have criticized its performance, others have imposed mixed reaction to its use. Guys, cities most of the news like this type of basic and also informative information. So I think you are getting this information. How much today's session? Tell me in comment section. Okay, then see you in the session. Have a good day.